I'm called Zaina from Uganda.
Sagalee natti deebisa amma ni dhagaatiin jira anillee. Are you hearing what I'm talking?
Yes.
Are you hearing what I'm talking?
This one.
Kana naanaati yookaan wanta ol seen nam tokkochi ol seena Jamila nam tokkochi ol seena yalla bismillah
Sodaachuun oolani warri Ingilifa beena jedhanillee ustaas har'a sodaachuun oolani.
ma sodaatan saa maalle afaan afaaniiti amma nuyyuu baasiki shumoyiidhaati
You say with me what I say once. Saati azana to gaye inshallah. What attracted you to become a Muslim? Why you decided to become a Muslim?
I want to be a Muslim. I want to be Islamic, a Muslim.
Okay. I said what attracted you? What is your reason to become a Muslim? Your reason?
I want to pray.
Okay, good. Do you have any question concerning Islam religion?
What?
Do you have any question concerning Islam?
Pardon?
Do you have any question?
No.
Okay. If you don't have question, just let me tell you one fact. Do you believe that Muslims worship only one God? Do you know this?
What?
Okay. Good. Make your right hand like this. Ustaz awwal altakka harka ol qabatte agarsiisa inshallah.
Ustaazoo wali sin arabiffaan qabsiisaadha. Diinayaas ingiliffaadhaan hiikkaa himuufi hangasuma dhumatee jirti. Bakka diinayaas ate gooyaa keessaa bahi booda ingiliffaan irra deebitee himtaafi.
Ustaz sagaleen ni jirame?
Ustaazoo wal arabiffaan qabsiisaa isin.
isin numa ajachisiisu talha nama lama gochuu irraa yalla jechisiisu Muhammadamii itti fufi jechisiisidha wajjin jedhi itti fufi
network ni Okay, harka ol qabi jedhaani mee usta itti agarsiisa. Raise your right hand, just your tip fingers.
Wash it.
Yeah, make your right hand like that. And you say what I say. You repeat what I say.
Okay.
Your right hand. Okay. Say with me. Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
Say what I say. Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
Allah.
Allah.
Ilaha.
Ilaha.
إلا الله
إلا الله
وأشهد
أشهد
أن
أن
محمدا
محمد
عبده
عبده
Ustaadha wal Arabiffaan qabsiisaa xumura.
عبده ورسوله
عبده الرسول
وأن عيسى
وأنا عيسى
وأن
وأنا
عيسى
عيسى
عبد الله
عبد الله
ورسوله.
ورسوله.
أيوة كانوا ما بو مالك كانوا ما نام تكوتشي هيكا في خلاص أما تريتي فاكي إفباسا في هيكا في كانوا ما واني برا واني برباتشو سنجرو مالو مربي سنجور إسايجو ليرو كان أسرت والتاني.
سودي فلسفة إنجليزي فان إبسي في سودي. سودي. فاهمان من نظام كيسة. أعوذ بالله. يا أبو تفوفا نمني توكمه. سودي تو أحمد تو نمني دندي سري تفوفا. إبسا.
Ole, I bear witness.
In English, in English.
Yeah, in English.
You talk. Now say in Arabic.
My sister say with him. My sister say with him. يلا اكتبوا في إيسا.
Wait. You talk in English. But what?
Musti ati dhiisi.
Bakka. Jechisiisuu miti ibsaa fi akki gootanu ilaa yaa jamaa akki gootanu jechuun hingaa shahaadaa qabatteetti hingaa ibsaa fi bakka ibsu
Abuu
dhufa
Bannaa.
ibsaa fi.
Hello.
Mana kana cufee biraa badina
Guys,
godhaa.
you are not communicator. You are not agree with her. Please
No,
give me the opportunity. Let's I speak with her.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Amma Bune, just sister, let me repeat for you what you said.
Shahaadaa xumurtee jirti Ingiliffaan irra deebiif.
Just let me tell you the definition of what you said now.
Okay.
It means I bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship but Allah alone.
Yes.
And I bear witness that Prophet Muhammad, may Allah's peace and mercy be upon him, is the last and final messenger of Allah that is sent for the mercy of entire world, for black and white, Arab and non-Arab, for the mercy of entire world. And Jesus, son of Mary, is the messenger of Allah and a servant of Allah. He is not God, he is not son of God. That is what you said. This is the word that take you to Islam. Starting from this time, you are a Muslim. Congratulations, welcome to Islam, my sister. Try to learn something from those who are close to you, and try practicing all good deeds as it is prescribed in the Holy Quran, and the way that the Messenger of Allah, may Allah's peace and mercy, live. Try to practice all of your life that way. Try to learn the Quran, learn how to pray, and just take a buzz and start praying from this time. Just Islam is built on 5 pillars. First, believing in Allah, what you said earlier with Ustaz. Second, establishing prayer. And any other Muslim brothers, you are our sisters. You may face few challenges. Just don't give up and keep reading about Islam. Islam is the religion of monotheism. You worship only one God. There is no any complex in Islam. MashaAllah. Welcome. We love you for the sake of Allah. You are our sister in Islam, in the way of God the Almighty. May Allah the Almighty make you the one who stand firm and among those who enter paradise. May Allah beautify your destiny. And may Allah the Almighty guide all of your family to this way of righteousness and this way of truth. Our sister. Okay, what religion do you used to follow before?
Madam,
Before.
people,
Yeah.
I record them to come in a mother.
Okay, before you used to follow Christianity?
Yes.
Okay, which
Hello.
denomination from Christian? Protestant or Orthodox? Catholic? Which one?
Christian.
Okay, good. They worship three God in one. All of your family to Islam. And I recommend you to practice Islam. Salaam alaikum.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullah. Thank you.
Okay, good.
Haa galatooma alfadha. Teessan ooluma waliin isin adeemu.